All right, hi students. I'm going to show you how to access your email today and find those progress reports that are getting sent every Wednesday. So first, if you don't have your email already open or know how to find it, I'm going to go to this little taskbar down here and I'm just going to type in Outlook. Okay, and then this will pop up. I'm going to click on it and it's going to open my email. Once I have my email open, it's really much more helpful if you just have it pinned to your taskbar on the bottom. So I'm going to click down here. I'm going to click on with my right click, and I'm just going to click Pin to Taskbar. So now in the future, whenever I want to find my email, it's already there. I just click on that O for Outlook, and I can open my email. Once you open your email, please make sure you're in your inbox, right? That's where all your new messages come in. You'll see them all listed here. You probably don't have this calendar over here. Don't worry about that. But you can see all of your emails listed. One super important thing is make sure you have it so it says newest right here on this little spot. A lot of students bump this and it says oldest and their emails are out of order. So make sure it says newest so the most recent messages you always get are at the top of your email. Every Wednesday by 8:30 a.m., you're going to get an email from Mr. Hansen, Dustin Hansen, with your progress report in that new format that includes your missing assignments, your attendance, and your grades. Okay. For me right now, it's at the top from Mr. Hansen, but if it's not for you, that's okay. I'm just going to go up here and I'm going to search his name, Dustin Hansen. And then it will find anything he sent me and it will come to the very top. So you can see now I searched his name and the first thing that comes up is this email with a progress report. It's going to be an attachment. So to open it, you just simply click on this little arrow and click open. You really don't need to save it, so you can just click open and then the progress report will pop up. I'm not going to open this for you because this is obviously a student's confidential grades, but that is essentially how you do it. If you have any additional questions, make sure to ask your advisor.